When rolling your calves, start from the bottom and work your way up. Get as close to your Achilles as you can for comfort, and just slowly rock back and forth. Might feel a little bit lumpy and bumpy, but those are all ropey knots in there. Put your other foot on top to add a little bit of pressure, and then you can also point your toes up and down and do circles with your foot just to get a little bit different movement in there. Just find what feels good and continue scrubbing kind of back and forth on those muscles. Then you'll want to go back down to the bottom, turn your leg in, and roll more of the inside of the calf. Again, doing circles with your toes, scrubbing back and forth, and also having your other foot on top just to add a little bit of pressure if you need, and then slowly work your way up to the top.